guys, oh man, this is gonna be so satisfying. These are 3 simple items you can clean around your house today, and when you're done, you will be so glad you did. Let's hit it. Oh man. Our house definitely has its fair share of messes, and something about this quarantine has left it crazier and more unconventional than ever. So those things around your house that keep it clean, it's important to clean. And I typically do this in a rotating schedule about once a month, but those things like your dishwasher, your garbage can, and your vacuum. And I'm gonna show you some super awesome secrets, some from the dollar store that I think you're gonna love. We use our dishwasher every single day. How long has it been since you've cleaned yours? I want to show you some things you might not know about. At the bottom of your dishwasher, there is a little catch-all. Make sure you unscrew it. You will be thoroughly disgusted, just trust me. This only takes a few minutes and it makes a huge difference in its performance. To make it run at peak performance, don't miss these tips, especially those spots like the rim that you rarely clean. The dollar spot at Target sells essential oils. They're just $3. I've been loving them. Take a bottle with a few drops of dish soap and about 12 drops of essential oil. Spray it on a rag to clean all of those outside parts that you rarely get to. And here's the secret to cleaning the inside. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda straight onto the bottom. Fill a mug with white distilled vinegar. Set inside your dishwasher and run it on a rinse cycle. I usually follow up with a cleaning of the outside, and my favorite way to do that are these stainless steel wipes. I love the Weeman brand. Your dishwasher has never been cleaner, and it only takes a couple minutes. Now on to clean the vacuum cleaner. Now I have Dysons, but no matter what brand of vacuum you have, these are a couple tricks to keep it running in tip-top shape. Most of us typically just empty the vacuum cleaner and move on, but it's good to clean out the inside as much as possible every few months. And most vacuums have a screw on the bottom that you can take off and clean the inside. Pull out all the hair and all the stuff that got stuck in there. This is one of those things that's easy to forget, but when you don't do it, it really slows down the vacuum's performance. And I really like Dysons because they make it super easy. You can actually unscrew the side to pull out the brush to clean separately. The base of the vacuum is constantly on your floor, so it's important to disinfect it. And my favorite trick are these Dollar Tree push bottles. I use these all the time. I filled mine with rubbing alcohol, and then I just use a cotton ball to wipe down the inside to disinfect it. What's really great about rubbing alcohol is it evaporates quickly and it doesn't affect the machine's performance. You never want to reassemble a vacuum when any piece is wet. I also like to use Dollar Tree makeup brushes to clean the places that are hard to get to that you can't run underwater. Most vacuum cleaners also have a filter that's pretty easy to take out, and most of them can be washed by hand. Just squeeze it with warm water until it runs clear. Just make sure to let fully dry before putting back into your machine. All right, let's be honest for a minute. How long has it been since you've cleaned your trash can? It had been a while for us. I take it outside on a nice day and I hose it down. I take some Dollar Tree dish soap, I put it inside and give it an initial rinse. Then I take my Dollar Tree bristle brush to wipe down the inside. This is one of my favorite products. I like it because it gets the rim really well and down into the nooks and crannies of the can. This is a simple human trash can. We've literally had it for 10 years, and with regular cleaning, it holds up really well, and the boys like to pitch in for the rinse.
There's a little more stuff. What about over here? Oh yeah.
Once it's dry, here's my secret weapon. And if you've been around, you've seen it before. LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner from the Dollar Tree. I give a good spray to the inside and completely wipe down to get anything left over. This is such a great degreaser. I'm gonna link my trash can down below. I like that it's double lined so the bag can sit right inside. It's not visible, but it always stays upright in the can. Gotta love a good before and after. I hope this video motivated you to tackle one of these 3 dirtiest spots of your house so you can keep your home cleaner. Please tag me on social if you do them. I want to see your before and afters. If you are brand new, you click that subscribe button, join the Dime Tribe, because I want to see you next time. I'll catch you then. Bye.
Can I add some soap to this? Can I add some soap to this? Sing wow.
All right.